Good afternoon. Now the next point is skin effect. So what is skin effect? Is the skin effect produced in AC or DC? Then what are the factors affecting the skin effect? The disadvantages of skin effect, how to reduce it? These all points we have to cover here. So first we'll see what is skin effect. So what is skin effect? If the medium is having a conductivity, then sigma is high. That means both the attenuation constant alpha both the attenuation constant alpha and phase shift constant are high. So when wave travels through such a medium, then attenuation of the wave takes place, and this attenuation occurs because of the losses that are taking place in the medium. So in case of good conductors at radio frequency, the rate of attenuation is very high, and because of this attenuation, an input wave is reduced to very small percentage of its initial strength. So here an input wave penetrates only a very short distance in the conductor. So skin effect is the tendency of an alternating electric current, that is AC, to become a distributed within a conductor such that the current density is largest near the surface of the conductor, and it decreases exponentially with greater depth in the conductor, and the electric current flows mainly at the skin of the conductor between the outer surface and a label which is called as skin depth. So skin depth depends on the frequency of the alternating current. As the frequency increases and the current flow moves to the surface, resulting in the less skin depth. The skin depth reduces the effective cross section of conductor and thus increases its effective resistance. So skin effect reduces the effective cross section of the conductor and increases its effective resistance. The skin effect is caused by opposing the eddy current induced by the changing magnetic field resulting from the alternating current. As increased AC resistance caused by the skin effect can be mitigated by using a specially woven wire the phenomenon which is arising due to the unequal distribution of current over the entire cross section of the conductor being used for a long distance power transmission is referred as a skin effect in transmission line. So with the increase in effective length of the conductor, the skin effect increases considerably, and the distribution of the current over the entire cross section of the conductor is quite uniform in case of DC system. But what we are using an alternating current system where the current tends to flow with higher density through the surface of the conductor, that is the skin of the conductor, leaving the core deprived of necessary number of electrons. So in fact there even arises a condition when absolutely no current flow through the core and the concentrating the entire amount on the surface region, thus resulting in an increase in the effective electrical resistance of the conductor. And this particular trend of an AC transmission system to take the surface path for the flow of current depriving the core is referred to as a skin effect in transmission line. So what are the causes of this skin effect? So let us initially consider that the solid conductor to be split up into number of annular filaments spaced infinitely small distance apart such that each filament carries an infinitely small fraction of the total current. Like if the total current is I, so consider the conductor to be split up into n filament carrying the current I such that capital I is equal to small ni. And during the flow of alternating current, the current carrying filament lying on the core has a flux linkage with the entire conductor cross section, including the filaments of the surface as well as those in the core. So whereas the flux set up by the outer filament is restricted only to the surface itself and it is unable to link with the inner filament. Thus the flux linkage of the conductor increases as we move closer towards the core, and at the same rate increases the inductor as it has a direct proportionality relationship with the flux linkage. And it results in a larger inductive reactance being induced into the core as compared to the outer section of the conductor. So the high value of reactance in the inner section results in the current being distributed in an ununiform manner and forcing the bulk of the current to flow through the outer surface or a skin, giving rise to the phenomenon which is called as a skin effect in transmission line. So the AC current density J in a conductor decreases exponentially from its value at the surface according to the depth d from the surface. So delta is called as a skin depth, and the skin depth is then defined as the depth below the surface of the conductor at which the current density has fallen to about 0.37 of the J's. So rho is what? Delta is equal to square root of 2 rho by omega mu. So what is rho? It is resistivity of the conductor. Omega is the angular frequency of the current. It is 2 pi frequency. Mu is absolute magnetic permeability of the conductor. So material effect, what is the material effect on the skin depth? In a good conductor, so in a good conductor, the skin depth varies as the inverse square root of the conductivity, and this means that better conductors have a reduced skin depth. The overall resistance of the better conductor remains lower even with a reduced skin depth. The skin depth also varies as the inverse square root of the permeability of the conductor. So in case of iron, its conductivity is about 1/7 that of the copper. In case of ferromagnetic, its permeability is about 10,000 times greater, and this reduces the skin depth for iron to about 1/38 that of the copper. Iron wire is thus useless for AC power lines. The skin effect also reduces the effective thickness of the laminations in power transformer, increasing their losses. So there are some factors which affect the skin depth. The skin depth is an AC system, depends on the number of factors like shape of the conductor, type of the material, diameter of the conductor, and operational frequency. So its reduction, or we can say the mitigation, the instead of normal conductor or wires, a type of cable called Leeds wire from the German bread wire is used to mitigate the skin effect for frequencies of a few kilohertz to about 1 megahertz, and it consists of number of insulated wire strands wound together in carefully designed pattern so that the overall magnetic field acts equally on all the wires and causes the total current to be distributed equally among them. So with the skin effect having a little effect on each of the thin strands, the bundle does not suffer the same increase in AC resistance that a solid conductor of the same cross-sectional area would due to a skin effect. So skin effect is a tendency of an alternating electric current to become distributed within a conductor such that the current density is largest near the surface of the conductor and decreases with a greater depth in the conductor. This skin depth, that is delta, it is a measure of the depth at which the current density falls to 1 by E of its value near the surface. The skin depth also describes the exponential decay of the electric and magnetic field as well as the density of induced current. So distribution of the current flow in a cylindrical conductor. For alternating current, most 63% of the electric current flows between the surface and the skin depth, that is delta. So how skin effect produced? The skin effect is due to opposing the eddy current which is induced by the changing magnetic field resulting from the alternating current. The skin depth is due to the circulating eddy current cancelling the current flow in the center of the conductor and reinforcing it in the skin. So due to the skin effect, the AC resistance increases in the conductor. So how to overcome the skin effect? Using good conductor and decreasing the frequency by using bundle of conductor, by using leads wire. So the conductors typically in the form of wire may be used to transmit So the conductors, typically in the form of wires, may be used to transmit the electrical energy or the signal using alternating current flowing through that conductor, and the large carriers constituting that current, usually electrons, are driven by an electric field due to the source of electrical energy. So current in a conductor produces a magnetic field in and around the conductor. Now when an intensity of the current in a conductor changes, the magnetic field also changes. So the change in magnetic field in turn creates an electric field which opposes the change in the current density. This opposing electric current is called counter electromotive force, that is back EMF. So what is the material that affect which creates effect on the skin depth? In a good conductor, the skin depth is proportional to the square root of the resistivity. That means better conductors have a reduced skin depth. The overall resistance for of the better conductor remains lower even with the reduced skin depth. However, the better conductor will show a higher ratio between its AC and DC resistance. So skin depth also varies as the inverse square root of the permeability of the conductor. In case of iron, its conductivity is the 1/7 that of the copper. So this is all about the skin effect. The next part, Smith chart, will we will see it in the next lecture. Thank you.